Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a review and tutorial for you. I recently splurged, finally bought a hair straightener I've been wanting to get for a long time. I decided to make the plunge and get a GHD hair straightener. I don't know why I all of a sudden decided to do it. I think I just want to always be improving how I style my hair. So I figured I'd share my experience with you because I'm sure people have the same questions as I did going into this, like, is it really worth it? So I'm gonna break that down for you and also show you how to use this GHD Platinum Plus hair straightener. If you're new to my channel, my name's Holly and I post every single week here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna take you through a tutorial in a couple minutes down the line in this video, but I just wanna share my first little intro to this product. So I have not bought a good straightener since I was 19. Like, I have not bought a good straightener in so many years. I just figured in my head, I was probably in denial, telling myself, I don't need one. Like, that noise is when you turn it off. It's like a robot. Did not think spending $400 on a hair straightener was a great idea. So I was against it for so long. I'm like, these straighteners work fine, like the ones under $100 I've used. In the back of my mind, I did see people's hair and I'm like, it's very shiny. I feel like it could get better, but I just was in denial, was basically the summary of that. Tip actually for buying a GHD straightener is there are actual sales. It varies quite a bit in price. Like at Sephora, I think I even had I might have had a 20% off coupon, and it was still in the high 300s Canadian. But I found a local like hair salon that had a store, Chatters, and they had a sale on at the moment, so it only costed me like $300. I stacked coupons. When you look for a straightener, I kind of narrowed it down to probably wanting this one. It's not like the elite one, but it's not the basic one. I figured one in the middle would be a great place to start. If you just search it in Google, it'll give you a whole bunch of options depending on where you're located, and I bet you can get a better deal. Don't pay full price for it because that's kind of scary and ridiculous, $400. Oh my God. It's still expensive. $300 is still a lot of money, but we're back in our shiny straight era and I'm going to share my tricks with you. Give it a nice soft brush so that it will glide effortlessly. Some heat protectant. Our straightening magic. So satisfying. Honestly, the quickest and easiest when you have a good straightener. Oh, I should have done this a long time ago. The shine. Last side here. I mean, you can see just using a straightener how much more sleek and refined this is just with a blow dryer and round brush, kind of just doing the ends. It looks fine, but it's very different than the polished chic look with a straightener. Two different things basically. And I think it's important when using this straightener is to just apply the smallest amount of tension to the hair. So brush it first, add that heat protectant, and then when applying the straightener, kind of with your hands, apply a bit of tension and then transfer that into the straightener, and it will just make sure that it's evenly straightened and has even amount of shine, and it just goes through the hair smoothly. One application tip I just learned from doing it myself. That is it for straightening. I had layers in my hair last time, which I don't know if I love, but when my hair is straightened, I do really love the layers because it kind of gives that like Rachel Friends vibe. I just can't believe it took me this long to do it. I mean, these hair straighteners cost a lot, so that's why it took me a long time. Why are some hair straighteners $50 and some are $400? I'm like, it can't be that different. It is. From someone who bought both and is very critical in assessing hair and differences in beauty products. Trust me when I say it is worth it. So depending on how important straightening is to you, save your money, watch for a sale and get a GHD hair straightener. The last thing I'm gonna do, even though I barely need it because I use those products to straighten my hair well, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Lenore Grail Modeling and Sculpting Balm. I like to just apply this when my hair is clean. Up here I have some flyaways. The rest of the hair is very sleek because I have product in it, but just up here, I don't put a lot of product at the root, so it's not greasy. So just so it's like perfect, what I want to do for you guys, have the perfect hairstyle. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys because and also my hair is blonde, so a little bit damaged through the ends, so soft and shiny isn't what it normally is like. This is a big transformation for my hair. I'm glad I made the splurge to get this. This will probably last me for a decade. I hope it does anyways. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward. Post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there at the same handle. I will leave links for all of the products, including the straightener that I use, down below. I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.